Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to get the military grade jack hat. So first we will open up Steam and go to TF2 in the library. Then click Browse Local Files. Go to the TF folder, then the CFG file. Before we do anything, we will search Show File Extensions in the bottom right search bar. Then click the Show Settings button next to change settings to show file extensions. If you have this button ticked, untick it and it will show file extensions. Now we will create a text file and rename it tvtune1.cfg, and get rid of the txt at the end to make it a CFG file. If this shows up, it will create a CFG file. Open the CFG file with Notepad, and write in it the thing written in the description. Save that. Do the same thing as last time, create a text document, rename it tvtune2.cfg and delete the txt at the end. Open it with Notepad, and write in the thing written in the description. Yet again, create a text document and rename it tvtune3.cfg and delete the txt at the end. Open it with Notepad, write the thing written in the description and we are good to go. Now, enter TF2. Open the console and type map_pass brickyard. Enter Blue Team as any class. Go into the console and type exec tvtune1. This will set up the bot stuff. Open the console again and type exec tvtune2. This will open the secret goal. Pick up the pastime jack and throw it into the secret goal. Then, go to Blue Spawn and enter the secret door, and take the teleporter. Shoot the cable behind the desk. And finally type exec tvtune3 and you will get the achievement before the bots start killing each other. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe and like for more tutorials like this. Bye.